I have always dreamed of having my game room off the entertaining space instead of a den, so let's do that. By doing this, we are doubling the space of our living room and moving our master bedroom. I did take a full week off of work to do this, and I want to be honest, guys, this is not a weekend job. So you're seeing a 3-minute-ish video. This took a while. There was other things on the list that happened in that week, but demoing the wall and putting our living room back together in a semi-livable state was one of the things that took the longest. I've lived in this house for a long time, more than I care to admit, and it only ever dawned on me to take down this wall in the last month or two. And I don't recommend you go taking down a wall unless, you're getting the proper permits and everything. In my county, I didn't need a permit for this because the wall is not load bearing and the price of the project is below a certain threshold. I did have an engineer come out because while I was pretty sure everything was good, I wanted an engineering stamp on it. So just to make sure I don't have to say, oh, I'm sorry, babe. This project got bigger. I mean, the volume of material that came out of this wall, I was shook by. It took 2 cargo trailer trips to the dump. There was some chimney remnants in there. I removed the chimney above the roof line when I did a project painting my roof last year. I paid a handyman to do the inside attic work, which I was rather thrilled about because it just all worked out. So there's about 6 foot of chimney that he took out in the attic, and then we took the remainder of the chimney out of the room. And some of you might have questions when you see the reveal of why is there furniture in there, it's not completely done and all of that stuff. We actively live in this house as I remodel it. I have 2 small children, and it's just one of the realities. You don't entirely finish a finished showpiece in a week's time. So there's more to do on this. So another thing that happened off camera is I paid an electrician to come and dead end all of these electrical wires that are coming down through. They were just feeding plugs. We didn't need to move them. So I successfully did this project without having stepped foot in my attic, which I couldn't be happier about. So here's the final reveal. In the back left corner, there's going to be a chess table. There's going to be a shallow bar under the oars to hold drinks and stuff while you're playing pool. Hopefully a clown throwing game in the far right. Obviously, I have a lot of wall repair, and there is going to be a faux beam over the differences in elevation in the rooms. One's a 10-foot ceiling, one's an 8-foot ceiling, and a lot of wall repair. But we're well on our way. To see the finished room reveal and other videos like this, please like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching.